Usually I don't shop at antique stores because I don't like paying antique store prices. In my experience in collecting, antique store prices tend to be higher than prices that you would get on Facebook Marketplace or going to the scrapyard or going straight down to the street department, thrifting through garage sales and things like that. But every once in a while I have to stop at an antique shop just to see what's there. And there's one antique store near me that has a lot of vendors in it, so it usually has a lot of different signs spread throughout the store. So I was killing time one day and I decided to stop in, and among the many signs that I found, they had this sign right here and I had to buy it. This is an old style city route marker, and this style was prevalent throughout the United States. Not only as you entered from one city or town into the next, this style was also used as you crossed from one state to another. I've seen lots of signs like these in pictures, but I've never seen one in person. Certainly on the road, all of these signs have since been taken down and replaced. Today's design for a city route marker is white text on a green background, a lot like this sign here. But the old style was black text on a white background. These signs are heavy steel and they're embossed. This one has just a lot of cool texture on it. It probably dates back to the 1930s. And the way these signs were posted back then, they would have been about this high off the ground. This sign's also of local interest, at least to me, because this city is kind of near the town that I live in now. From a geography perspective, Columbia City doesn't mean a lot to probably many people, unless you live there or near there. But I got this sign more for the style because I was afraid that if I left that sign there, if I changed my mind and came back later, it may not have been there. And I paid a little more for this sign than I normally would pay, just being that I haven't seen this kind of style of sign anywhere for sale around me in all the years I've been collecting. The back of the sign is also cool. It's got some really cool rust texture on there. You can see those embossed letters pushing through the back of the sign to show through the front. Overall, this sign is in really, really great shape. This city route sign also families really well with this old Indiana State route marker sign. They've got the same style, the same dimension. They're both on heavy embossed steel. And Indiana State Route 9 routes through Columbia City, Indiana, which I thought was pretty neat.